our class. Today we have done show the time, right? So I have made some clocks on the board and you need to draw them in your notebooks and you have told me the answers. Now I'll show you the clock showing some timings, right? Clear? So today we will do tell the time. Tell the time. I will show you some timings using a model of a clock, right? And you will just tell me the timings by writing in the chat box. For this you not need your notebooks. इसके लिए आप अपनी notebook में नहीं लिखोगे. I'll show you the timings using this thing, right? And you will just write your answers in the chat box and you will be not able to copy anyone's answer. Only I can see your answers. You cannot see each other's answers. So by doing this, you will not copy. Clear? So firstly, I am showing you timing. This is not the timing. ये मैं ऐसे दिखा रही थी. This is not the timing. Now I am showing you time. This. What is this timing? For this, you not need to draw a clock in your notebook. This is 9:30. Arav Gupta, how is it 9:30? Among all these two hands, no hand is at 9. How you can say it is 9:30? 3:30, wrong. It's Ramandeep. Everyone is writing, yes. There are two ways of writing. Okay? First one is in words. Firstly, you tell me the timing in words, then in figures. Yes, very good. This is 6:15. 6:30, Navjeet Kaur. This is 6:15. So this is the timing which I am saying in words. And in figures, we can say it is 6:15. It is 6:15. 3:30, Arav Gupta. How 3:30? You need to have a closer look of this. अगर 3:30 तब होते जब ये minute hand 6 पे होता. Now see, minute hand is at 3. Long hand is at 3. Short hand has just crossed 6. It is not exactly on 6. This is 6:15. Yes, Akshita. Now, those who have made model of a clock, you also adjust your hour hand and minute hand according to this time. आपको भी पता चले कि जब 6:15 होते हैं, तब कैसे लगती है clock. So, firstly, always remember in 15:15, the minute hand is at 3, right? And आगे जो भी digit दिया होगा 6, 7, 8 जो भी, that digit has just crossed slightly the particular digit. उसने बस R hand ने उसको थोड़ा सा ही किया होगा. Everyone is right. Laksh again wrong. It's not 3:30. It's short hand. It's long hand. Long hand is at 3. Short hand has just slightly crossed 6. So it is first one is 6:15. Or this is in figures. We can write timings in two ways. And in words, it is 6:15. In figures, we can write it 6:15. And in words, it is 6:15. So understand the difference in both. Clear? Now can I show you the next? Okay. Next is, this time I am giving you simple one. This is, firstly write in words. फर्स्टली राइट इन वर्ड्स, और अगर किसी ने बीच में फिगर्स लिख दिया सिर्फ मैं उसका ही नेम लूंगी. राइट इन वर्ड्स. यशदीप आपने फिगर्स में लिख दिया. राइट इन वर्ड्स. यस yes, I am reading your answers. I am not taking anyone's name. Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Right? In words, it is 8 o'clock. Or in second way, we can write 8.00. And here I am writing 8.00. You tell me, इसमें 8 क्या है और 00 क्या है? Can anyone tell me? Write in the chat box. 8 क्या है और 00 क्या है? मतलब कौन सा हैंड है? 8 is which hand? R hand और minute hand? Yes, Krisha. 8 is R hand. And 00 is minute hand. Because 12 में 0 जाता है, फिर वहां से क्लॉक में फिर दोबारा स्टार्ट होना है ना. 12 के बाद फिर 1 आ जाता है ना, हमारी काउंटिंग फिनिश हो रही है वहां तक. So यहाँ पे भी in 6:15 also 6 stands for R hand, 15 stands for minute hand. Keep this thing in your mind. We are just talking about two hands of a clock. This is the first hand, that is R hand. This is the second hand, which is minute hand. Okay, it was simple. Now next is, I'm showing you, you'll tell me. Next. Now, read this time and tell me by writing in the chat box. Read this. Okay, Tanisha, Krisha. Firstly, write in words. Aradhya, write in words. Ananya, I don't need mixed answers. Yes, Pavika. Mananya, okay. Everyone is giving me right answer. I'm just waiting for the different answer. Yes. It's 11:30. Yes, very good to everyone. Those who have written 11:30. Now tell me 11:30 in figures. Now write 11:30 in figures. ये थोड़ी सी लूज है. आर हैंड मॉडल है ना, ये टेम्परेरी मॉडल है. एक्चुअली में इट डजंट वर्क, सो दैट्स व्हाई ये खुद ही मूव कर रही है. Yes, it's 11:30. 11:30 or 11:30. Yes. So I'm writing here 11:30. Here or 11:30. Now tell me 11 shows which hand? Arav Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
11 shows which hand?
Ma'am, big finger.
No.
Minute hand.
No.
Far hand.
Wrong. Others are writing in the chat box. Firstly, मैंने देखो यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है आरव कि आगे वाला जो होता है that is always the short hand or R hand और पीछे वाला minute hand, long hand. देख भी सकते हो आप, फिर भी नहीं बोल रहे हो. So this is short hand of and this is minute hand और long hand. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि दोनों क्या शो करते हैं आपको, कि आगे वाला क्या शो करता है और पीछे वाला क्या. ठीक है. So next is Now read this time. This is okay. Tanisha, Krishav, Samar, Bhavika, Pratiksha. प्रतीक्षा रॉन्ग था. सुखमान अनन्या फिगर्स में लिख रहे हो. आई वांट दिस इनवर्ड. सहज आराम से बैठे हुए मुंह में पेन डाल के, है ना सहज. यस अक्षता, आई कैन सी योर क्लॉक. सहज आपने तो मुंह में पेन डाला हुआ था. कौन लिख रहा है आपके बिहाफ पे? दिस इज रॉन्ग. अगर लिखना है तो खुद लिखो, कोई और नहीं लिखेगा. आप तो आराम से बैठे हुए थे. दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग. अगर आप खुद लिख सकते हो तो लिखो, आप किसी और को तंग ना करो. इट्स नॉट. यस सारा. So those who are writing it's 1:45 is wrong, and those who are writing it's 12:45 that is right, and those who are writing it's 1:45 is also right. See, I think at least 10 to 12 students have written it's 1:45. जैसे तनीषा ने लिखा है 1:45. It's wrong. 1:45 का मतलब है 1:45 कि उसने 1 को कंप्लीट करके 45 मिनट्स हो गए और अब 2 बजने वाले हैं. ऐसे नहीं है. सी 1 बजने वाला है. It's about to 1, है ना. It's about to 1 and here the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is approaching 1. It is coming near to 1. So it is 12:45. कि जो hour hand है ना वो 12 को कंप्लीट करके आई है और जो मिनट हैंड है वो ये सारा कंप्लीट करके आया है. It's 1:45 कि अभी एक क्वार्टर पड़ा है 1 होने में. This is known as quarter. Listen, ठीक है. अभी एक क्वार्टर है 1 होने में. So this is quarter to 1 कि अभी 1 होने में क्वार्टर पड़ा है तो it is 12:45 not 1:45. अगर आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो ना quarter to 1 तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये 1:45 हो गए. ठीक है. quarter to 1 means अभी 1 होने में क्वार्टर है so it is 12:45. Kana Bhagwan, it's not 1:45, it's 12:45. So मुझे पता है कि इन चीजों में आपने कंफ्यूज होना है. So ये वाली टाइमिंग एक और करते हैं हम. ठीक है. So in this 12 is hour hand and 45 is minute hand. ठीक है. Now in the same way I am showing you one more timing. Now don't get confused in between. Now tell me this timing. This is which timing? It's 2:45. 2:45. Okay. Yes, 2:45 तो आप लिख रहे हो. But now tell me this is quarter to. Quarter to क्या है? It's quarter to 2 or it's quarter to 3. Yes, Naval. Okay. Mananya. Yes, it's quarter to 3. Pavika, you are wrong. It's not quarter to 2. As you can see, in quarter to 2 में जो हमारा R hand था, that should be near to 2. But it is near to 3, Pavika. So it is quarter to 3. Understand this topic. It is quarter to 3. ठीक है कि अभी 3 होने में क्वार्टर है. It was quarter to 3 कि 3 होने में अभी क्वार्टर है, बट वो सारा क्रॉस करके आया है 2 को और 45 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं कि वो जो सारी हमारी हैंड्स हैं मिनट हैंड है वो सारा ये क्रॉस करके आई है और आर हैंड ने हमारे, ठीक है, वेट, right? So it was quarter to 3 and we will read it as 2:45. Clear? So this was telling the time. So I hope it is clear to you. Yesterday we have done show the time and today we have completed tell the time. In tell the time, obviously a clock will be given to you with the particular timing. आपने just tell करना है. But in show the time, you need to draw a clock. वहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको ऐसी टाइमिंग दी जाएगी, आप उसे शो करोगे, right? Now next is, let's do some blanks related to all these. Now you will write in your notebooks. Put heading, fill in the blanks. Also, it is a form of mental maths. You can say any heading you can write. Fill in the blank. Clear? So put heading, fill in the blank. So I am writing और you will also answer me side by side. मैं लिखूंगी भी और आप मुझे आंसर भी करोगे. First one is 6:30 can be written as dash. 6:30 को हम और क्या लिख सकते हैं? The other way, जैसे अभी हमने किया, right? In the chat box side by side, 6:30 can be written as, yes, yes, Rishabh, Tanisha, okay. और बच्चे आई नीड मोर पार्टिसिपेशन. जो बच्चे कभी भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते हैं, आप भी रिस्पॉन्स करो. जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं एक ही नेम बार बार लूं. अगर मैं एक नेम बार बार लूंगी तो आपको लगेगा कि हमारा नेम नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन अगर आप आंसर करोगे डेफिनेटली आई विल टेक योर नेम. Yes, Arlene, Seerat, it's 6:30. So I'm writing here 6:30. Right? So 6:30 can be written as 6:30. Next is 4:15 can be written as dash. 4:15 can be written as dash. Think. And this thing you also need to write in your notebook. IDB Sukhman Banga, you are continuously eating your nails. You're supposed to write in your notebook. Sukhman Banga. If you are hungry, then you can eat something, but at least don't bite your nails. Yes, it's 4:15. 4:15. So side by side, I am giving you time also. Write in your notebooks. And I'm also writing your answers. And Nandini, you have written just 4:15. What 4:15? You have not written the digit, which is required. So in this way, ये wrong हो जाएगा आपका. Very good. जिन्होंने कर लिया है. So I'm also watching कोई कौन नहीं कर रहा है. विश्री कहाँ पे चली गई? Okay, next is quarter to 9 can be written as dash. Quarter to 9 can be written as dash. So what will be its answer? Now I'll get mixed answers, I know. Quarter to 9 can be written as dash. Okay, one answer I got. अभी पिछले का आंसर किया है. Okay. Anisha wrong. Akshita wrong. Rishabh right. Naval right. Simran right. Yes, it's 8:45. अभी 9 होने में क्वार्टर है. It's 8:45. ये चीज पे आप बस मिस्टेक करते हो. Just understand this concept. Quarter to 9 is 8:45. Next is shorthand is also called dash hand. Shorthand को और क्या बोलते हैं हम? Shorthand is also called dash. You know, R hand. Yes. So shorthand is also called R hand. R hand, ARE अक्षिता. ARE कहां से आ गया? HOUR, our hand. Shorthand is also called our hand. Ours नहीं आना, नवल. Ours नहीं आना, our hand, our hand. Okay. Next, minute hand is also called dash hand. Now minute को हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Yes, long hand. I am just changing the position of the similar blanks. Short वाले में R पूछा था and minute वाले में long. ठीक है? Short के साथ long and R के साथ minute. Next 6 is there are. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको कल करवाया था क्लास में. बोला था मैंने, अगर आपको याद होगा obviously you give me answer. There are dash divisions in a clock. There are dash divisions in a clock. How many divisions are there in the clock? I have told you yesterday. Ananya, wrong. Think. Rishabh wrong. Biman wrong. Arav right. Akshita right. Tanisha right. अब ऋषभ आंसर चेंज हो गया है ना. अनन्या रॉन्ग. और बच्चे सुखमान, हरनीत, सरमन राइट. कशिश आंसर्स लिखो अपने. कपिल राइट. कनक रॉन्ग. कनक, हाउ इट कैन बी 4? 12. Kushil wrong. Param wrong. और कोई बात नहीं. और मैं जिनको wrong बोल रही हूँ, that is completely fine. No problem. We learn from our mistake. तभी मैंने ये चैट भी बंद की है कि आप बाकियों के आंसर्स नहीं देख सकते। यस सर सिमरन राइट, रॉन्ग है कोई बात नहीं, ऑब्वियसली वी विल करेक्ट आवर मिस्टेक राइट। आपको पता चलेगा ना, इट मींस एट लीस्ट यू आर गिविंग आंसर। जिनका रॉन्ग भी है आपने टेंशन भी लेनी है, आपने बैड भी नहीं करना, बस आपने ये सोचना एट लीस्ट यू आर गिविंग आंसर्स, यू आर बेटर देन दोस हु आर नॉट आंसरिंग राइट। 12 divisions are there in the clock. Ashu, I did with Ashu, that's wrong. ये किसी ने ख्याल का 3.67, what is this? I did with Ashu, but it's not 4. Like I have shown you in the clock, there are 12 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rakshita wrong. Division means उसकी division होती है ना clock की, 1, 2 की divide किया हुआ है अलग अलग चीजों में। Okay, now I don't have any model of the clock with me, so I can show you in the next. कल हमने किया तो था, like we are at the clock like this, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like this. ऐसे था, that I have made it up. So इससे बोलते हैं हम divisions, ये divide हुआ है कि 12 से लेके 1 तक 1 division, 1 से लेके 2 तक 2 डिविजन्स, ऐसे इसको डिविजन्स बोलते हैं कि डिवाइड किया हुआ है एक क्लॉक को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, ठीक है। सो इसे बोलते हैं हम डिविजन्स। दैट हमने बिल्कुल इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है ना हमारी क्लॉक। यू कैन सी योर क्लॉक व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी इन योर रूम, इक्वल पार्ट्स में सब कुछ डिवाइडेड है। किसी के पास ज्यादा स्पेस नहीं है, किसी के पास कम स्पेस नहीं है ना। जितनी स्पेस 1 और 2 के बीच में है उतनी ही स्पेस 2 और 3 के बीच में, ऐसे है ना, इसे बोलते हैं हम डिविजन्स। सो नेक्स्ट है लास्ट वन, वेरी सिंपल, क्लॉक tells us dash, clock tells us dash time, that's very easy, clock tells us time, right? Simple. So with this our chapter time is finished. We have also done the recapitulation part also, because today we have just revised the topic which we have done. Yesterday we also revised, right? So with this we are done with the timing, with all the timings we have in our syllabus. Quarter past, quarter to, o'clock, half past, show the time, tell the time with some plans, right? So now complete this thing in your notebooks and mark your attendance. I am sending you the link. Mark your attendance, everyone. Roughly tell me your clock. The clock which is already in your room, just look at that clock and tell me the timing. Just read that the time. Yes, it's near. Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Read करना है आपने ऐसे. It's 10 o'clock. और 10.00 और 10 o'clock हो चुके हैं. Clear? You will not write 10. अगर आप ऐसे के लिए 10 भी लिखोगे ना बच्चे, that will be wrong, because 10 doesn't show any time. ये just हमारे लिए एक number है. But when you will write like this, it shows time. It means this is hour and this is minute. But if you will write only 10, that will be wrong. Right? 10 or 10 o'clock. Clear? So that was all for today's class. Today we have done all the concepts related to timing and we have done its recapitulation part also. Complete this thing in your notebook.